Hi there, in this video of the series, I'm going to create a new Jenkins job that will help us to run the unit test on our project. So it is going to be a fairly straightforward with very minimal steps. As you can see, there are only 4 steps that we need to do here. So I'll quickly take you through those steps by the demo itself, and then you can refer this particular document later. So what we need to do, we need to go to new item, and then we're going to give it a name as application unit test, and then we'll go at the bottom, we'll try to copy the configuration from the application build shell, and we'll click on OK. So this job does the Spring project application unit test. So I'll just change the description. It refers to the same source code management of type git and the project that we have configured earlier, so we have to leave it as it is. We're not going to make any changes. The only change that we're going to do here is we're going to say delete the workspace. So every time a new test cases are created, and then we're going to execute it. Now here we have used the command as mvn clean keep test and package. So we're going to remove this command. Instead of this, we'll say the file name that we have to use. So the file name in our project is testng unit.xml to run the unit test cases from this particular suite of tests that we have defined inside the testng unit.xml file, and then we're going to specify the phase of test. So this test phase will compile your business class, compile your test class, and then execute your test cases. So it is going to execute your unit test cases as specified in this particular file name. So that's all you need to do, and then you can just do save and then click on build now. I'll open up the console output so you can see in real time. So we are just going to execute 3 test cases, because in my project I have kept 3 test cases that we're going to explore later when we're going to make changes on that particular project, and then we'll discuss a little bit about the project and why I'm using the file name as the option while I want to execute this particular test cases. So as you will see here, there are 3 test cases that is going to get executed, but in our Jenkins we won't be able to see the output of the test cases, like which test cases was executed and all those things. So for that you need to watch my next video where I'm going to show you how you can add a post build action. So you can see in the meantime the build has been successful and 3 test cases has ran on our project, and the application has been executed successfully. You have the workspace, but there is no option given here to view your test case. If I go to build, I'll go from here, I'll just click on this number 1, and there is no way I can check like which test result, what is the outcome, which test cases has passed and all those things. So that's what I'm going to cover in the next video, where I'm going to show you how you can add a post build action so that it will refer to your report file and then will generate nice output, so we can directly view it inside the Jenkins. That's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching.